and a black spiral horn. Both males and females have horn, with females having slightly slimmer ones. They can grow up to 150 to 180 centimeter and can weigh nearly 1 ton. So again, ma'am sir, on your left side, na ilan? A medium size antelope that is light brown in color with slim legs. And fantastic jumpers in savanna as they can run 90 kilometers per hour, 80 meters in height, and a cover distance of 12 meters. Also, they can sleep while standing because they have locking joints just like horses and giraffes. So again, ma'am sir, on your right side, the wildebeest, the skunk, and the zebra.
Wildebeest. Wildebeest. Mura naman sa kabayo? Sa kulong. Iturahan.
So a female zebra has a light coloring color while not and on your left side, that's their holding facility area. That's where they sleep at night and at bed.
And don't forget for the bird show at 1:45 p.m. More on Rabbinic kites and eagles. 2:30 white tiger feeding, 3 o'clock giraffe feeding. So there's
Those are the wildebeest, a large antelope that has gray coat with black mane on its face.
Pwede rin mo i-video doon na picture.
Because during
No, video
mating
picture.
season, the male will perform unusual dance moves to attract mates. And if you're familiar with the movie Lion King, there are same species who accidentally killed King Mufasa due to a stampede scene. And the one with a long horn up there is a gemsbok or oryx gazelle. A large antelope that has white black markings on its face, known for their long and straight horn that can grow 33 inches in length. Considered as a king of Kalahari Desert because they can survive without drinking of water for several months up to a year. So those are the water buck, a reddish brown antelope with shaggy hair under their neck and a white circular ring on their rump. The use of that white ring is a follow me sign. Their body emits an oil which acts as a water repellent and defense mechanism towards other predators since it has stinky smell. Only males have horn while females do not, and the older they get, the stinkier they become. And the one with a long horn up there is a male greater kudu, a large handsome and majestic antelope with grayish brown coat and vertical lines on its back.
ang buhok day.
Ate May. Kuya.
Right, ano kaya? Kuya, look. Itarong kaya, anak. Straight. Okay, tanaw kaya. Small kaya. Okay.
Dito.
So, ma'am. Lalo pa da.
Ano ay? Iguana, iki-lovely din. Bago nga.
Kasi ito na. Ha?
Ini dito, itingin dito sa camera. Ikaw naman Buna, itingin ka picture.
Ate, ate. Lovely. Ato pa to. Lawrence. B.
Hey, ma'am. Picture, ma'am. Smile. Ayun, ma'am. Family, ma'am.
Sige, sige.
You can stand. Yeah, just stand na lang ako sa kanila. Ibang harap sa kanila. At kabang nila.
Lang.
Okay, bro. Ay, webs, ano? Oo, nga na. Wait, sabi. Ano, ti? Ti. Ano ba rin sa'yo? Anak, dito na natin. Ate.
Hagbong.
Pasagdi ba? Wala, di mo. Disa.
Sige lang, pagkaon lang mo.
Alili. Tumare.
Okay, ilata.
Okay na.
Okay. Gani.
Ayun na. Lagi. Lala. B.
Ay, dong na, may kimogi na.
Saka ito. Unggoy.
Ako kayo ilang likod eh. Sige, so ilang tubig. After
Pangis, habis kita.
Okay.
Gusto mo nilo. Ayo ikaw. Ayo ikaw.